Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The NCB Financial Group says it plans to raise additional capital via an additional public offer APO. In a release today, the Financial Group says the company's board passed the resolution for the raise on Friday, September 8. Now, an extraordinary general meeting is to be held for shareholders to consider the APO. NCBFG says it is looking to add up to 300 million new ordinary shares. The company has not shared what the additional funds will be used for. The NCB Financial Group stock closed today's session at $70 per share, and if the offer were to be floated at that price, the company would be looking to raise about $21 billion. The Mavis Bank coffee factory has partnered with local chocolate maker Pure Chocolate to produce a new product. Managing Director of Mavis Bank Coffee Factory, Norman Grant, says the new Jablum coffee-infused chocolate-infused coffee will be a good additional stream of income for the company as it continues to diversify.
The engagement of this product over the next 12 to 18 months as a part of our diversification strategy can add anywhere in the region of $100 million to our revenues by distributing this both locally and overseas. So while we're engaging our consumers locally to say, eat, have, enjoy the Jablum Jamaica Blue Mountain infused chocolate, we will be aggressively going to develop a local market for this product. And every one of our distributors overseas that I share it with have already said, we are ready.
He says as the company celebrates 100 years, it's looking to not just expand coffee production, there are also plans to increase the cultivation of cocoa.
I have instructed my farm managers that going forward on our farms, we need to establish some cocoa, purebred cocoa plots on our Blue Mountain coffee farms, as we are aiming not only to maximize on value added, but also to increase the production of cocoa. The production of Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee in the 22-23 crop year has increased by over 16%, moving from some 240,000 boxes in 21-22 to 22-23, 285,000 boxes.
Let's head to the foreign currency market now. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.21. $114.60 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $193.41, while it's costing $169.16 for the euro. And the JSE index lost 2,517 points today, while the junior market index lost 17 points. Among the 32 winners were First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Everything Fresh, Key Insurance, and Express Catering. The 52 losers were led by Consolidated Bakeries, Paramount Trading Jamaica, JMB Group, 7% variable Jamaican dollar cumulative redeemable preference shares, MFS Capital Partners, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. Now 19 stocks traded firm, that is, they ended the session at the same price they started this morning. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.